Hello everyone, my name is Kian. I'm 10 years old. Welcome back to my video. Today, I will tell you how to fold a swan airplane. And now, let's get started. I will teach you gently, slow. Okay, so you know what this swan airplane looks like? I watched in the internet and I saw it was really beautiful. And this is the swan I have made. Was it beautiful? I think not. But if you like it, please subscribe. And also leave a like. Yeah, that's right. So, first thing we need to do is need a paper. Easy step, right? Okay, we need a paper. Put it like this. Okay, put it like this. Put it like this. And we put down to the table. And first thing you need to do is fold it into half. Okay, so it needs to be gently fit. So it can be beautiful. Okay, gently make it smooth. Yeah, look at me. This table is really bumpy. Sorry about that, but it's okay, right? Okay, I do it to make it smoother. Okay, next I will open back. Right, we have a grease go through, and that grease is very important. So that's why we need to fold it into half like this. Right? Swan airplane, you can do many things. Like what? You can use it, give you for your parents, your mother, or anything. Okay, after we do this, we will gently fold this to this, right into the center, into the crease, and like right to the crease. Okay, and now I need to fold it so it's at a crease, and gently put it right it was before, and do exactly what you do at the first step, at the second step. Okay, this is after I do it. Yeah, like a normal airplane, but it will be swan. Okay, after you do that, fold it like gently, like the plane, like a normal plane. Okay, I will fold it like this, so it can be. I have mentality. My mentality is 100% good, not like my temper is really good. My mentality. Okay, after we do this, okay, I do it back so gently so it can be good. So next thing, like this, we need this point to the bottom. Okay, that's not easy, right? Yeah, gently, easy. To me, okay, step by step. I don't need you guys to subscribe my channel, but if I just think you need to just watch my channel every day, and that make me happy. I don't need subscribe or anything. I just my temper. I don't care about what people say. Okay, after we do that, we will fold it. But this time, don't fold back to make a grease. Okay, we will put it here. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, so it can go. Oh, yeah. Okay, like gently fold to make it wing. Yeah, gently. Put this like this crease. Okay, you will gently to the point to this crease, and this at the end point it will be fit. Okay, I do it gently. Good. Not bad at all. Okay, you guys see. Beautiful wing. Wait, I fall back. And we will have this. We finally have it. Yeah. Okay, next, fold it into half. Right? Make this so it can have a crease, so later it can fly. Okay, after we do that, look at this beautiful crease. Okay, put it back. So it can have its own crease. Okay, like lovely, right? Really lovely. This is designed by a Russian, the expert Emily. Look at that, exactly like yeah. Okay, next thing we need to put it like this, so we can the open space like this. Look at me. Oh my goodness. I think this is going to be not really good. I think, but you guys look at these things. Gently look at it, and not just the ordinary things. It's a legendary, I think, bird fly. Yeah, not really good at flying at all. But I think you guys must subscribe my channel right away if you want. Okay, finally finished. But do you guys think this is beautiful? Squad? Yeah, I don't know, but I think look at it. I think it's beautiful. And look at this. Well, like its head is like it's long and it's sharp and it's going like not the chicken but like this, and is he a really good plane, I think. And rating about flying is about 8 like 6 in 10 like this. Woo! Like the eagle dip in the water, it will be wet, explode, boom. That's it. And now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, one. See you next time. Bye.